bless up. So that tune you know is the original, and you me say now. You say youth them are the future for now and tomorrow and future on and on. Seen? So we can't be partial and carnal mind. Seen? So hear me now, selector. Run the tune now. Oh yeah, yeah. You and you stop fighting the youth. Hey. Some of them have them dirty heart and them idle thoughts. Now elevate the youths, them mind with them dirty mind and idle conversation. Now go help the nations. Show the youth some positive direction, more and more cultural attraction, so them can face the Armageddon, and this might cause a revolution. So stop from blighting the youth. Why don't you teach them the truth? Youth's life, yes, me say you want to pollute. Youths and youths, me say we keep searching for the truth. Them have them dirty heart and them idle thoughts. Now elevate the youths, them mind with them dirty mind and idle conversation. That now go help the nation. Think of Jah with an upright heart. A humble thought, yes, you will find him. The thought of the prudent thinketh knowledge, but the heart of the heathen think destruction. Seek peace, yes, and pursue it. When I come back against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in a high and low places, and that a cause the disgraces. Them got them dirty heart and them idle thought. Now elevate the youths, them mind with them dirty mind and idle conversation. That now go help the nation. We are gonna dump up the pit of violence, pull up the trend of hatred, and water the garden of love, and let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. And again we said, dump up the pit of violence, full up the trend of hatred, water the garden of love, and let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. And again them have them dirty heart, them idle thought. Now elevate the youths, them mind with them dirty mind and idle conversation. That now go help the nation. Them have them dirty heart and idle thoughts. Now elevate the youths, them mind with them dirty mind and idle conversation. That now go help the nation. And again,
boy, me I tell you, yeah, me I skank over the whole place right now. Me I tell you, yeah, this is the artist. He's a professional artist. To how him deliver, how him lock the rhythm. You know what I mean? Trust me, Majah Jackson. Me don't know how you know out there yet, you know. But me feel like at your time now, my boss. Trust me. Our general, what do you think about Majah Jackson? Dirty heart. Me can sing to you, know.
You know I'm going to Majah Jackson. You see me I deal with a professional artist. I tell you, say you have the vocal. You see me I deal with, and you do this long time. You see me I deal with, you can hear the experience in the high voice. You see me I deal with.
Turn down the beat.
So, I love that song there, where you just sing, because right now we need more of them message there right now. In the music, in the diaspora right now, in the youth them ears. You over the me I deal, because music are one of the biggest influence that can guide the youth them back to peace and unity. You know? So, we really, really appreciate you for being a part of the program, the 100% talent show. You see me I deal with and give thanks to a message like that where the world and Ready TV, Pepper TV recorded and the world are gonna get to see it. Kind of stop right just so you know, you over the me I deal with. Manners and respect.
Them on them dirty heart.
Nah, man.
Watching about big up the artist, Majah Jackson.